Welcome. Let's start by going to text title, then drag down a default text. Then click on Advanced Edit, and type your text. Increase the font size and select an attractive font. Once done, apply the changes as demonstrated. Now take a JPEG snapshot as shown. Next, delete the text title from the timeline. Drag down the JPEG snapshot. Once more, drag the video down above the snapshot, then extend the snapshot below to match the video's duration. Click on the video above, then go to the image settings and change the blend mode to multiply as shown. Next, right-click to copy and paste the video on top. Click on the video, then go to the blend mode settings and switch it back to normal as shown. Now, click on the video again, go to the AI tool, check the Smart Cutout option, and then click Start. Next, choose Advanced Mode, then return to the screen and draw a small outline around the object. It will automatically detect the object. Further, go back to Advanced Mode to start the selection process and wait for it to load to 100%. Finally, click Save and then Preview. Thank you for watching, you're amazing. Have a wonderful day.